Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. So you're trying to crop your video in CapCut but don't know how to? Then worry no more. You know why? Because I got you. Okay, so first things first, you need to ensure that you have selected your video and make sure that there is a white sort of film around it. The selection, you know, you know, the indicator that you have actually selected the video. Okay. Then the next thing that you want to do is to come to this row right here. Okay, ignore the first one, which is the split option. Ignore the second one, which is the delete left. Next, this is the delete right. The next one is delete. Then we go to freeze, then reverse. And then this is the mirror option. This is the rotate option, and finally, this right here is the crop ratio option. So this is what you select when you want to actually crop your video. Okay, so you select that, right click that. Okay, so once you've right clicked that, what I need you to do is to now select the area that you'd like to crop. Okay, whether it's sideways, whether it's up down, whether it's from the corner, whichever way. Okay, that is the freehand style. Okay, so the crop ratio here is free, so it's the freehand kind of thing. However, you can just select a custom one. You can either select the 1:1 ratio, or you can go for the 16:19 ratio, which is the standard YouTube video size ratio. Okay, or you can go for the TikTok and YouTube Shorts size ratio, which is the 9:16, and that's how it looks like. Okay, so in our situation, you can pick the 16:9 and then maybe shrink it a little bit. Let's reduce it a little bit. Okay, like that. Yeah, and then now we click confirm. Once you've clicked confirm, this is how it will look like. This is the end result, and it doesn't look too well. It's exactly what I wanted. Okay, it's exactly what I wanted. So now you know how to crop your image, crop your video, not image. You know how to crop your video in CapCut. Thanks for getting this far. Thank you for watching. If this content was helpful, then please don't forget to leave a like. Don't forget to share the video. Thank you for watching.